Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to get XRP address in Bybit. In order to get your XRP address on the Bybit platform, it's quite easy. So scroll through and make sure you've opened up the Bybit platform. Once you've opened up Bybit, the only way you can get your XRP address is by using the deposit option. To simply deposit, click on the deposit icon. Where we have deposit crypto, select this option. And at the search bar at the top of the screen, simply search for XRP. Once you search for XRPs, when they ask you to choose a chain, Bybit only makes use of the native XRP network for deposits. Withdrawals could be different. All right, so there's a notice here that says the minimum deposit amount is 0.01 XRP. So anything less than that would not be refunded back to you. And you must, in the process of depositing, you must provide your deposit address and your memo or tag when you're making a deposit. Otherwise, you stand the risk of losing your funds and access to your funds. So click on OK. Welcome to your Bybit XRP deposit menu. Here you can find your wallet address, the tag and memo, the network, minimum deposit, and the number of confirmations. All right. So in order to receive or get your XRP address, all you need to do is just copy your wallet address and copy the memo. Once you've copied all this, you can simply deposit your crypto here and you'd find it on your wallet. So guys, that's how you can get your XRP address. Comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.